Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I'm in Hanzat Cemetery. We came for Laylatul Nifs Shaban because it's sunnah to visit the graveyard in Nifs Shaban. Not for grave worship, Salafis. We don't worship graves. Na'udhu billah. But what I end up finding is that sihr, people have been doing sihr, magic, in Hanzat graveyard. So we found sihr here. And it was under a stone here. We won't record the headstones to hide the identity of the people who passed away. You bring this video closer. Where's the other sihr? Yeah. So people have been doing sihr here in the graveyard. As you can see, they've been placing this under in the graves, and you can see the markings here, sihr markings. Is that past all of them? So we're going to destroy this and let this be a warning for all the Muslims. Be aware of sihr. Some of these peers, some of these what they call amilin, they carry out sihr in the graveyards. And if you find this, you need to destroy it. Remember, the kaydu sahir is mentioned in the Quran, that the la yuflihu sahiru, the sahir will never be successful. So let this be a warning to all our community. Be careful of sihr, be careful of false practitioners, stay away from all these things and follow Al-Quran wa Sunnah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.